Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? So today I am drawing a portrait on black paper with white pencil. This is a white charcoal pencil, and the paper is a black sketch paper. This type of portrait is called a silhouette portrait, where only one pencil is used to draw the picture. Light falls on the portrait from one side, and we are drawing just the impression of a portrait. If anyone wants to draw with me, it's always welcome. Draw with me. Buy a black paper and a white charcoal pencil. The paper and the pencil link will be given in the description. So if anyone wants to buy the black paper and the white pencil, then you can buy from my link. Buy the product from my link and let's start to draw with me. I'm working slowly so that anyone can understand what I am drawing and anyone can draw with me and learn with me. So this is a side face of a portrait, male portrait. All the materials I am using will be given below in the material list. So this is the portrait, and I will draw a cap on his head, winter cap. Please go ahead and draw with me. You can send your drawing in my Instagram account. Same name, artist Shankho Adhikari. Go to Instagram and search my name. You will find my profile Instagram account. You can send your drawing to my Instagram account so that I can check and verify how is your drawing. In Facebook, many people are working with me. I have over 2 lakh followers on Facebook, and many people are following my drawing and working with me and learning many things from me. So if anyone has any question, please go ahead in the comment. I will answer and learn with me. So draw with me.